So we just got back from Goodwill and I just wanted to show you a quick mini haul. Actually, it is a book haul and I hope you guys enjoy because lately me and my family have really been into reading, and I downloaded this app. It's called Libby, and currently I'm reading Cackle, which is rom-com, witchy, spooky season type of book, which I'm so into right now. I've been into an hour and 45 minutes of reading and so far so good. It's just what I'm looking for in a book. It's just to zone me out for a moment, and I am loving it. So when I went to Goodwill, I didn't find what I was looking for. I was actually looking for some bar stools and I didn't find anything, although they did have cute little dining tables and whatnot, but it's just not what I was looking for. So with that being said, I did find these books there, which I did not know that Goodwill carries books. So I thought I'd just check out their selections. And when I saw this book, Star Wars, I immediately knew I had to pick it up because my boys really are into comic books and Marvel books and that things of that sort of reading. So I picked this up for them and I sent them a quick picture of the book and they immediately said yes. And since unfortunately I only found one book, they have to rearrange who's gonna read it first. And so yeah, so that's their business. And how it looks, just I don't know, what would you call this, like this here, like it is so cool. I might even give it a try. I like the first like 2-3 movies of Star Wars, but I've just never kept up with Star Wars, so very interesting. So far the first 3 movies were pretty good. I'm pretty sure the book would be just as great. But to my boys, I know they're gonna love this. And I paid, I believe, $169 for this book, and I just like how the hardcover looks. Still in good shape. It looks really good. I thought it was a steal because the original price here says in the US it's $14.95. In Canada, it's $15.95, and I only paid $169 for this book. So it's a steal for me. And then second, I picked this one up for Adriana. Well, actually, she chose this one. I did not pick it for her, and she likes it because it does look like comic too. And she's very into comic books as well. It's very cute. And this one says in the US it's $10.99, in Canada it's $13.99, and again I only paid $169 for this book. So again, these feel like it is just a bargain. And what we liked about this book, when we flip through this page here, they are, instead of chapters, they have 3 seasons in here, which is August, September, and October. And since she loves fall, she thought this was a perfect book for her. So I can't wait to hear what she tells me about this book. And so yeah, I thought it was very cute. And then certainly last but not least, this one is The Miraculous Journey of Edward Tulane. And I just thought it was cute because there is a cute bunny. You guys know I'm into bunnies. I have 4 of them, and anything with bunnies, it catches my attention and I want to read about it. It looks very fairy tale like. I don't know if this bunny talks, but I thought it was super cute. Look at the back. Like, oh my god, it is so cute. So cute. And it says the original price on this book in the US is $18.99. In Canada is $26.99. And you guys, I paid 69 cents for this book. So again, I feel like I walked out of that Goodwill store like stealing these, because these were so cheap. And I'm gonna go back for more and see what I can find. They had so many selections of books. It's just I didn't have, you know, the time to go through every book, but I will be going back for some more. But so yeah, so I thought this was really cute, our first book to start reading. Like again, I downloaded Libby and I've been reading Cackle and it's so good. So that one's just like, I guess that's my really first book, but I actually want to purchase that book. I probably have to go to Target or something like that, right? But anyways, yeah, this is our cute mini book haul. I thought it was just such a fun and an affordable way to find books. If you're looking into books, I highly recommend Goodwill, thrift stores, things of that sort. So yeah, I thought it was really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul. If you have any book recommendations that me and my kids could read, please leave it down in the comments. We would love to hear and look into those type of books. So again, thank you. Okay, so I forgot to mention, I do have the receipt here, and the total for 3 books was $4.41. Again, still, right? Like, come on, $4 for 3 books? Yes. Okay, so this fabric shade that we have here is, I'm going to use that for the bottom of the greenhouse, but inside the greenhouse, I just need to measure it and then just cut it and then staple it to it. And then, I'm sorry, but our neighbors are working on their lawn. So, and then me and my husband are going to create this arch here that's gonna go on top of the greenhouse, which we probably use PVC or cattle panel. But again, I'm gonna do my research on what's gonna work best for us. But for right now, I'm gonna work on this. And yeah, so this is the whole purpose of this, is just to get ourselves ready for the winter and protect my veggies, because yeah, I do want them to survive. As you guys seen earlier, I brought a lot of my seedlings inside the house because it's been getting kind of cold in the morning. As you guys can see, it feels very fresh right now. I think we are in the 68, which feels very nice. And we have some jalapenos here that might need a bigger pot because it is kind of leaning, but strawberries are looking good. Have some basil that looks okay. And this was also our seedling. These are the radishes. See, like some made it and some are not making it too well, but yeah, that is why we're doing that. So again, I'm just gonna put the cloth like this whole bottom just to give it some type of ventilation, and then the plastic that's gonna go over view, it's for to protect it from snow, freezing rain, things of that sort. And I want to keep it like that until forever. Because it will also protect it from this tree, which you guys know I was dealing with a lot of, what is it, warm webs, birds, insects. So yeah, it's just better if we just create some type of protection for the plants and also give it ventilation. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm not going to include it in this video because I feel like this video is already pretty long, but I just wanted to show you a quick update and why I have my seedlings in my kitchen right now.